Thank you very much, Mr. Goswami. Do I have your permission to start? All General Saiban, the legends, and sons and daughters of India. Mera naam Deepak hai. By way of introduction, I'm 74 years young, still very good looking. I've been in diplomacy 52 years and counting. And by way of family introduction, sir, my father is a Pashtun from Ghazni, a Pathan. My mother belongs to a Sikh family. और जो पठान और Sikh का खून मिलता है, the effect can be very deadly. Let the enemy know that. तो इसीलिए कहता हूँ कि I'm not Indian because I live in India. I'm Indian because India lives in me. भारत मुझ में बसता है. Mr. Goswami, thank you for this wonderful opportunity. You are launching a movement. I'm old enough to know that it will be analyzed. People will do their doctorate in the nationalist collective that you have launched today. You'll go down in history as an outstanding son of India. Thank you for being an Indian, sir. To the young people sitting here and who are watching this program, बेटा 200 साल से ज्यादा विदेशी ने मेरी किस्मत लिखी है. अब मैं लिखूंगा उसकी किस्मत और अपनी किस्मत आप लिखेंगे. अपने हाथों से आप उसकी किस्मत लिखिएगा, इस देश की किस्मत बनाइए. बड़ी जल्दी बता देता हूं, हम तो चाणक्य की संतान हैं. चाणक्य ने कहा था 6 चीजें, 6 things to be a developed nation, a powerful nation. First, he talked of leadership. We have a person, you've heard his name, Narendra Bhai Damodar Das Modi, consistently for 3 years ranked as the best leader in the world by Morning Consult. इसके लिए तो ताली बजाइएगा. The second thing he talked about is diplomacy, your influence. Thank you very much. We have the best foreign service in human history. That is why 120 countries of the so-called global south, 120 developing countries say India is our role model. और मैडम मैं उनको क्या कहता हूं जो यूरोप के बारे में सोचते हैं, तेरा ध्यान किधर है, तेरा हीरो इधर है. Look at India. We are the leader. The third thing he talked about was the military. General Saab, we have among the top 3 militaries of the world, thanks to children like you, sir. Thank you, generals. Thank you to all the soldiers. Fourth thing, Chanakya said, you have to have a strong economy. We're already the 4th largest economy in the world, on the way to becoming the 3rd largest. Then he said, you must have strong infrastructure. Sir, कौन सा देश है दुनिया में एक दिन के अंदर 34 किलोमीटर हाईवे बनाता है, 12 किलोमीटर रेलवे लाइन रखता है? More locomotives are manufactured in India than Europe and America combined. 8 एयरपोर्ट एक साल में बनाता है, 2 मेट्रो सिस्टम एक साल में बनाता है. वो मेरी मां भारत है, sir. We are able to do it. And the final thing that Chanakya talked about, before I conclude, he had said that education is essential. Please absorb the figure that I'm